Okay, I'm going to make my creamy cucumber salad for my picnic today. First time using the MRQ food processor, blender, shredder, chopper, whisker, puréeing, meat grinder, slicer. This is going to be great. And I always like this creamy cucumber salad. I'm going to show you how I do it. 1 onion, 2 cucumbers, sour cream, vinegar, and sugar. Okay, let's start chopping them up. First I'm going to peel this onion and peel these like carrots or long taters or something. See, you know how to do that. I'm just going to do that first and I'll be back when that's ready. Here we go. That was easy, you know that. Remove my box here. I'm going to use almost every implement here except the whisk today and this. I'm going to do my cucumbers in here. I'm going to do the onion in here. It's so exciting, isn't it? So you can remove the motor and put it on whichever big bowl you're going to use. First, let me chop that onion quick. It's going to be easy. Let me cut it in half once. That's all. Got a blade in there. 1/2 onion, another 1/2 onion. Put this on, line up the notch with the notch, and the blade will go down and engage. Let's go slow just to try it. Remember, this has a variable speed on top, 1 to 5, also slow and turbo. Let's try slow once. Ooh. Oh, that's all I need, look. Isn't that nice? That's perfect for this cucumber salad, isn't it? Let's look in there. Yes, that's exactly what I want. Now, take this. Ooh, that smells good too. Take that blade out. Remove the motor. We're going to put it on here, on the food processor. And inside of here, I have a slicing blade. One side says slice right in there, the other side says shred. So I'm going with slice. And that fits on a pin that fits inside of there. Nice. And you lock it on with the tabs securely. See that? I'm gonna take 1 cucumber. Now I never did this before. This has this pusher too. Let's get it spinning before we put our vegetable in there. I'm going on low just to see how it goes. Oh yeah, see that? That's nice. Oh, let me look at them. That's just too easy. Wow, look. It's not going to be perfect. I love that. That smells like perfume, huh? Love it. That was a big cucumber too. All right, start it up. I'm going to go low again. Low is good. Take that out of there. Nice. Remove the motor. Remove the blade. That's easy to clean. Look at that. Isn't that just perfect slices? Onions, cucumbers. Now, I'm going to use this attachment. This is what I like to use for milkshakes and blending things. Careful. 600 milliliter beaker here came with it. So I'm going to use 1 pound, 16 ounces of nice sour cream. Okay. When we made this before, we just cut them all up by hand and put them in a bowl and mix this by hand. But this is going to be so much easier. Should I use this bowl to serve it or another fancy bowl? Because we might put it in the refrigerator if we don't use it all, right? Oh, so I should use another bowl, right? right?
Low. I mean, we're gonna serve it in another bowl.
Yeah. Pound sour cream, 16 ounces. Quarter cup of vinegar, white vinegar. This makes it good. Quarter cup. Go in there. 2 tablespoons of sugar, white sugar. That's gonna make it sweet. Mmm. Okay. Now I'm gonna use my stick blender mode. Whenever you use this, you don't want to fill it more than 3/4 because it's going to blow up out of there, but I don't have that problem today. But if you're making a milkshake or something like that, we're not going to have to go too much with this. Just blend it. And go slow. Let me turn this variable speed down to low. See? Nice. Speed it up. I'm going high. Turbo, watch. I'm sure that's enough, considering we used to just stir it by hand. Look at that. Okay. I'm gonna rinse that off. Don't immerse this part in water. I have a serving bowl here I'm going to use. First I'm going to pour in the cucumbers. They're perfect, aren't they? Look at that. So perfect. Nice. I'm going to pour in my chopped onions. They're also perfect. They're so perfect. I should have to save some of them for my hot dogs too, huh? I should have had a bigger bowl, should I have? To stir these into.
Carefully.
And we're going to gently fold in this mixture of sour cream, vinegar, sugar, deliciousness. Look at that. Bigger bowl would have been nice here. I do have a bigger one. Now you can put some salt and pepper on this at the end, if you like. Oh, I knocked some out. Or some dill. I like putting dill on mine. Yeah, bigger bowl, bigger bowl. But it's good, look at it. Oh, talk about creamy. That's it. Creamy cucumber salad with the MRQ food processor. Let me put a little bit in a bowl for me to eat it. It's still got bubbles in it from this. That'll settle down. Don't waste them cucumbers. Made a little mess. I'll put a little bit in a little bowl for me. This is gonna be good. Put a little dill I like sometimes on there. Look at that. Mmm. Salt and pepper. Mmm. Mmm. You get a fork and take a bite. Look at it. Mmm. Mmm. We gotta make it. It was easy, wasn't it? Using the MRQ. Somebody told me this matches my new coffee maker. I didn't even notice. But it does. Thanks for noticing. Have a nice holiday. Have a good picnic if you're having one. We're gonna have a little cookout. Nothing big. Hot dogs, hamburgers, and cucumber salad. Please subscribe. Take care. Talk to you soon. You're waiting for this, huh? Love it. Check this out. MRQ. See ya.